high-quality pipes start with high-quality raw materials. Puhui HDPE fire protection pipes are produced by using premium imported PE4710 and PE100 raw materials, which is certified by FM 1613 approval and used for FM-approved piping systems. Puhui pipes are manufactured using advanced extrusion technology and strict quality control standards. The black pipe with red stripes clearly identifies its usage for underground fire protection pipeline. FM-certified HDPE pipes are specially designed for fire protection systems, offering excellent impact resistance, corrosion resistance, and leak-free fusion joints to ensure reliable water supply during fire emergencies. Ideal for fire protection water supply systems in industrial facilities, warehouses, commercial buildings, and municipal fire networks. Puhui FM 1613 approved HDPE pipes have been supplied to many overseas fire protection projects worldwide, providing reliable and long-lasting performances.